Hey, future tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. We talk a lot about the future on this channel, but there's one mind-bending concept that puts all our current projects into perspective. The Kardashev scale, it's basically a cosmic measuring stick for how advanced a civilization is, based purely on the amount of energy it can control. Today we're talking about Type 1. It's the moment a civilization finally harnesses all the energy of its home planet. What if I told you that humanity is on track to hit this milestone in the next 100 to 200 years? If we pull this off, the world you know will be completely unrecognizable. Get ready, because we're diving into 15 monumental predictions for what life will look like when we finally become a true Type 1 civilization. 1. Mastering the planet's power grid. The core requirement for Type 1 status is achieving total energy mastery of Earth. Forget fossil fuels. In this future, our skies are pure and our reliance on dirty energy is a relic of the past. We'll be tapping into literally every source we can, from the heat deep inside the Earth's core to the rhythmic power of the ocean tides. We'll be building vast fields of solar panels, next-generation hydroelectric dams, and towering wind farms, all working in unison to capture the planet's natural flow. But that's not even the wildest part. Cutting-edge technologies, like fusion and antimatter reactors, will emerge from the realm of science fiction to provide outputs we can barely imagine. And look up, the sky won't just be clear, it'll be ringed by a colossal web of orbital vessels, meticulously positioned to capture every photon of reflected sunlight. This system won't just generate power, it'll serve a dual purpose as Earth's climate regulator. Think about it. Being able to summon rainfall at will to end droughts or mitigate devastating weather events like hurricanes and tornadoes. It's a total game changer. And once we master the Earth's energy, the next step, of course, is reaching for the sun itself with the infamous Dyson swarm, marking our intent to become a Type 2 civilization. The end of scarcity forever. Imagine a world where the concept of a limited resource is completely obsolete. That's the reality of a Type 1 society. Every home could have a state-of-the-art replicator machine, AI, device so advanced it can literally assemble any object you want, atom by atom. Need a new gadget, a piece of furniture, or even art? Just input the design and it's crafted to perfection. This is supported by global nanofactories, capable of assembling products with atomic precision. This post-scarcity society also revolutionizes how we eat. Giant vertical farms will be as tall as skyscrapers, and lab-grown meat will satisfy our dietary needs, without the ethical or environmental concerns of traditional livestock. With near-infinite energy resources, even freshwater scarcity disappears as we convert seawater into potable drinking water for everyone on the planet. When you can create virtually anything at the atomic level, resource-driven wars and conflicts truly become a thing of the past. 3. AI takes the driver's seat. Our current models of human-led government and corporate bureaucracy could be completely transformed. What if entire administrations were overseen by conscious, superintelligent AIs? These entities wouldn't rely on human intuition. They'd make policy decisions based on vast data sets and predictive algorithms that surpass our ability to comprehend. Cities themselves might evolve into fully automated entities, with AI managing everything from traffic flow to public services with unbelievable efficiency. But this raises a terrifying question. Would we, as humans, be comfortable handing over control to an entity that could be trillions of times more intelligent than all of us combined? The ethical implications are enormous. It's possible that global regulations would have to be put in place to limit AI development simply to prevent a new, unchecked intelligence from making decisions that could be detrimental to all humanity. 4. Immortality and the rise of the cyborg. In this Type 1 future, the boundaries of the human body are fundamentally redefined. Thanks to incredible genetic and medical advancements, it might not be uncommon to meet people who have celebrated over 2 centuries of life. But that's just the start. Walking down a bustling street, you'd routinely see the lines blurring between flesh and machine. Individuals might have seamlessly integrated robotic limbs that offer augmented capabilities, providing strength and precision far beyond average human limits. Even our biology gets an upgrade. Nanobots would patrol your bloodstream, constantly identifying and preventing diseases in real time, effectively ending illness. And for those who seek true freedom from the body, the possibility exists to transfer human consciousness into advanced robotic or synthetic forms. 5. A cosmic neighborhood colonizing our solar system. With a near limitless power source, humanity's reach extends far beyond Earth, colonizing nearly half of our entire solar system. Interplanetary travel would be as routine as a transcontinental flight today. Powered by next-generation fusion and antimatter drives, the Moon, Mars, and even Venus will be bustling hubs of human activity. But here's the sci-fi leap. Imagine uploading your consciousness onto a laser beam, transmitting it instantaneously to a robotic avatar stationed on Mars. You're experiencing life on a distant world, without the weeks or months of physical travel, a true form of remote existence. Meanwhile, sprawling settlements, connected by high-tech rail networks, will dot the terraformed landscapes of Mars, and the asteroid belt will transform from a field of rock into an economic goldmine for precious minerals. X. The hyper-connected world. Transportation gets a total revolution. Beyond flying cars and floating maglev vehicles, silently gliding on superconducting pavements, we'll see hyperloops crisscrossing continents in pressurized tubes, reducing travel times to minutes. Even more ambitious, the construction of global undersea tunnels connecting continents like America and Europe, further shrinking the world. And for the ultimate efficiency, space elevators, colossal structures anchored to Earth, extending into orbital stations, will make traveling to space as routine as taking an elevator to the 100th floor. 7. Virtual worlds that rival reality. The line between the real and the simulated will nearly vanish. A Type 1 civilization has the computational power to create virtual simulations so intricate and detailed, they are rendered down to the quantum level. This means that within these digital worlds, every object, every droplet of water, is composed of individual atoms and molecules, making it nearly indistinguishable from reality. These simulations will run continuously, with dynamic, ever-evolving ecosystems and seasons. For some, these virtual realms will serve as sanctuaries for digital immortality, where consciousness is uploaded to computational systems, allowing individuals to experience lifetimes within photorealistic digital paradises. What would you do with a second chance at life in a world with customizable rules? Accessible through a holodeck? 8. Cosmic scale defense and unprecedented globalization. With all this power, we need defense. We'll have a massive planetary defense system designed to safeguard Earth from external threats. This includes early warning systems to predict asteroid collisions months or even years in advance. Our primary countermeasure? An array of fusion-powered lasers strategically positioned across the solar system, capable of deflecting space rocks from a safe distance. And yes, these lasers could also serve a dual purpose, deflecting man-made long-range missiles for an added layer of security. On Earth, this era could usher in unprecedented global unity, potentially leading to a single global government or a cohesive coalition of nations. Driven by brain-computer interfaces enabling a global hive mind, the planet would move towards a single, globally oriented identity, all monitored and managed by a vast interconnected AI system. 9. Healing our planet. Finally, a Type 1 civilization would use its technological might to heal the scars of the past. This involves the monumental task of reversing millennia of ecological damage. De-extinction. Advanced genetic engineering will allow scientists to recreate extinct animals, restoring the balance and diversity of ancient ecosystems. Nanobot swarms. Microscopic machines will be released into the air, water, and soil, tirelessly neutralizing and eliminating pollutants. Reforestation. Massive fleets of autonomous robots will be deployed to plant billions of trees, revitalizing lost forests. Our relationship with Earth would transform from one of exploitation to one of stewardship. The planet, once on the brink of collapse, would thrive again, bearing testament to the resilience of human ingenuity. Conclusion. A Type 1 civilization isn't just a technological status. It's a total redefinition of the human experience. We're talking about controlling our environment, transcending our physical limitations, ending scarcity, and becoming a unified, solar system-spanning species. But Type 1 is only the beginning. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the even more mind-boggling future of a Type 2 civilization, where humanity completely harnesses the energy of the entire sun and begins to explore black hole technologies and synthetic bodies with superhuman abilities. You don't want to miss that. Hit that like button, Subscribe so you don't miss our dive into Type 2, and let me know in the comments. Which of these Type 1 technologies do you think we'll achieve first?